ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. Good evening everyone. Respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, past chairmen, office bearers of the association, senior APA members, eminent physicians who are to be honored today, and their family members, ladies and gentlemen. First and foremost, I want to wish each one of you a happy Physicians' Day. I, Dr. M. Mohan Kumar, Honorary Secretary of this prestigious Physician Association, on behalf of its office bearers and members, warmly welcome you all to this Physician Day celebration. This Physician Association has rich legacy and started by 9 eminent physicians in Chennai on this day, that is in 1944. Our Karnataka chapter has been honoring eminent physicians every year from past 10 years. We are truly honored by the presence of our distinguished Justice B.S. Patil sir, Lokayukta Government of Karnataka. I am proud to say that I had the opportunity to work with sir as physician in High Court of Karnataka Hospital when sir was sitting dead in High Court at that time. Sir, in spite of your busy schedule, you are with us now. Your presence today truly adds great value to this occasion. I heartily welcome you, sir. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome Dr. Pratima Murthy Madam, Director NIMHANS, who was my senior in Bangalore Medical College in MBBS. Your presence today definitely encourages us in our collective effort towards the growth and objective of our association. We heartily welcome you, madam. I welcome all the eminent physicians who have come from all parts of Karnataka to receive this honor. Dr. K. Rajshekhar, Dr. Lakshmi Narayana, Dr. Keshav sir, Dr. Chandrappa sir, Dr. V.G. Kulkarni sir, in absence here, Dr. Shivkumar from Ambedkar Medical College. I welcome our dynamic chairman, Dr. B. Malingappa sir, who has continuously guided us in organizing this function. I welcome our chairman-elect Dr. Ramesh and our treasurer Dr. Vishwanath Krishnamurthy. I sincerely welcome all the past chairmen, Dr. Vasanta Kamath madam, Dr. Kasturi sir, Dr. Puttappa Chandrasekhar, and others. Dr. Govindappa sir, Dr. Nayan Swami, Dr. Murali Mohan, Dr. Vasanta Kamath madam ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ first time. Dr. Chandaya sir, I congratulate all the eminent physicians who have been chosen for this honor and going to be felicitated in a few minutes. I welcome one and all. Thank you very much. Wish you happy New Year. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.